All right, we're back. Happy Friday. Today's freaky wing flavor is a Poblano Chili Lime Ranch Wings. Wings. All right, time to get some posters. Posters made. I used to do these, and Adobe Express I used, and horrible, absolutely horrible. So now my best friend ChatGPT does these flyers, and we hang them in the restaurant, and people see it and they order it. Hopefully, Poblano Chili Lime Ranch Wings. It's a must. A must. Weighing up on things. No one's out the car. No more living hard. Ooh. Too hot. Oh, yeah. All right. Poblanos.
As soon as he left, they all just went right back.
All right. Poblano Lime Ranch Wings. Why do you look so weird right now? Like, you look different. Good for you. You're growing up to be a young man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Growing up to be a young man, a young lad.
Young lad.
Young lad.
Young lad.
Well, you can tell all the girls you work at a barbecue restaurant.
Yeah.
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 Am I like that? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
All right. And start. Yeah, not yet. Start letting them know. You work at a barbecue restaurant. You never know. You know what our motto is back here? You know what our motto is back here? Pretty plates get you dates. Right? What's the motto, Wade?
It says it all.
Yeah, pretty plates get you dates. Every single time.
Boom. Look how sharp Kellen looks. He looks like a good lad, right?
A good lad.
Lad. He's embarrassed. He's embarrassed, so I'm embarrassing him more. Don't tell me you're embarrassed of something, ever. Because if you do, I will poke that bear.
Well, we already know that.
I know. The kids will learn. The kids will learn. Good morning, Grace. How we doing today? Just a thumbs up, huh? 2 thumbs up.
Hey, that's good.
Oh, so we're doing all right. All right, dust storm, huh? See if the old dust storm's coming. They call it a haboob. A haboob. Oh, okay. Yo, dust storm coming. Uh-oh, haboob's coming, buddy. The dust storm.
Dallas Cowboys.
That's right. Grace, dust storm's coming.
I know.
What do you mean you know? Bruh. Bruh. The haboob. I know. Well, let's hope the canopies hold up. Water cups? Straight down to the right. It better be water, though.
Let's stare at them.
I watch it like a hawk.
Let's stare at them and make sure they get water.
I watch it like a hawk. Uh-oh. Better not be mellow yellow.
And it was a hot mess.
I used to hang it on the manager or the Janitors. Janitors. Bro, what are we doing? No, it's not a wind chime. Those are not wind chimes. That's life dedication right there. Not just to put your fingers in to watch them bang. Well, good. You got nothing to do. Grab a rag.
There's some side work for you.
Yeah, let's get a rag and start wiping things down. Is this?
It's an ad. It's an ad. Yeah, it's on YouTube.
The TV should be on YouTube TV. Did they really just show a Freedom Fest ad?
Yeah.
I saw Sheila E. Kind of creeped on her a little bit.
What?
Kind of like creeped on Instagram. I'm like, see who this chick is? Have a bad hair day. You know who sings this?
Lainey Wilson?
Don't ever say that, ever.
I don't know.
We don't say Lainey Wilson here.
Why?
That girl, nope.
Oh, okay, she didn't come eat here?
Nope, she's barred from the restaurant.
Why?
This is the queen. Like, that's the highest. Shania Twain, the highest. Whoever's the highest. This is her. The queen.
I'm not a
You should get into it.
country kind of person.
You should
anymore.
possibly get into it.
Anymore.
Anymore? What?
Anymore.
Why'd you change?
Because I did it my whole life. Like raising animals, all of that, everything.
So
I had
that's
my
why
country
you.
phase. Now I'm in my city girl phase.
But you live in Florence.
Yeah.
It's not a.
Yeah, but that's why I'm trying to move to the city.
Ooh, just listen.
Your future wife.
Oh, yeah. Give me 5 minutes. She would end up giving me the key to the tour bus and said, "You're driving," and I fuck peace. I'm out. A million times. I love this girl,
I know.
Shania Twain.
I know. I've heard.
Wait till she comes to Country Thunder. If she ever comes to Country Thunder, I'll probably wear leopard print leggings every
Leopard
day.
print?
That's what she wears every day until she comes in.
You wear leopard print.
Yeah, like leggings, like yoga pants.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Leopard print. That's what she wears.
Okay. Well, that's gonna.
And if nobody wants to see her,
now.
if nobody wants to see that, then
Oh,
they have to
no.
keep tagging Shania Twain. Please come eat here.
Oh, we're gonna.
If she doesn't come, I won't take off the pants. I'll wear the pants forever.
That's fine.
That'll be the bet.
That's fine. Gotcha.
Dang.
We're on it. Mission.
Yeah.
Target.
Yeah, I have to wear the pants.
Gotcha. I'll tell Jess.
Okay, good.
We're on a mission. I'll text her right now and tell her.
All right, let's start
What
the
have you
wings.
prefer, sir?
Oh, freaky wings.
Yeah, they've been alright today.
Is the wings the last thing for the chicken tag?
Yep.
Yep, I'm just doing the sauce now.
I'm awful. I do have this other rack here for you. I lied.
Oh, freakies. How's everything tasting so far? It's all right? Cool. Can I bring you anything or are we good? Just leave you alone, let you eat, right? I got you. How's everything tasting so far? It's all right? Cool, cool. Hi, how are you guys? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Good, good, good. It's mixed with the sauce. So it's got a little ranch flavor at the end. They're very, very good.
So those are saucy ones, not dry rub?
No, they're saucy. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I thought it was a dry rub.
Yeah, no, yeah, yeah. I know, I should probably fix that picture.
It does look good though.
Yes, it's very, very good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You guys enjoy. Yeah, Freakies did pretty good today. What, about 5-6 orders so far in the beginning? It's not bad.
Almost every single ticket that said wing on it has freaky wings.
Freakies! What's your freaky wing dance? You don't have one?
No, I tried. Yes.
You can't dance? I think you can.
I tried.
Yeah, right. Let's see a little, like a freaky dance.
I tried doing that yesterday with Zach, and it didn't end well for me.
Why? Did you hurt yourself?
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe. Sunday. Father's Day too. Fathers like to eat barbecue. It'll probably be better than Mother's Day was.
Yeah.
Moms don't want to eat
Yeah.
barbecue.
Yeah, definitely.
Moms want salads. Moms want aerobics, water sport. We don't have that here. Just barbecue. Freaky Wing Friday. How'd we do, Wade?
We killed it, man. We're
was
almost
all right.
done already. 12
Freaky
p.m.
Wing almost sold out by, what is it, 11:51 right now. All right. Gracias.
guys.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.